How to fix Twitter has stopped. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix if Twitter has stopped working. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if your Twitter application has crashed and then actually stopped working for some reason, then there could be a couple of reasons behind it. We will look through some of the fixes which will hopefully help you solve your problem. Well, the very first thing we will do is we will simply go over and then long press on the Twitter app icon and then tap on this little I button which you see. When you tap on the I icon, it will take you to the app information page, and once you're on the app info page, you just want to go ahead and select storage. As soon as you select storage, what I want you to do is just simply clear the cache files of this and then also clear data. Keep in mind that when you clear your data, you'll be logged out of your account, so when you re-log in next time, you might need to actually go ahead and enter your credentials. If that doesn't fix the issue, the other thing could also likely be due to lack of software updates. So go over to your Play Store and in the search box, you want to type in Twitter. And if you see an update button there right next to the Twitter application, I want you to update the Twitter app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing on the previous version of the application. If that doesn't help either, I would recommend you to simply uninstall and then reinstall the application. So go ahead and then uninstall and then tap on the install button again. And last but not least, your Twitter application could also be crashing if you are out of date on your software version. So open settings and then go to your about phone section and select software update. And tap on download and install and check if there are any types of updates available for your software or operating system. What updating does is that it is going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing in the previous version, and it is also going to make the app compatible with your own software. And hopefully one of these would definitely solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.